I'm on page 184 of your Osborne book, Sorting, Checking and Importing Data, Stage 2. We're now going to introduce some subtotals, and we want to subtotal the value of the sales by sales rep. First of all, we're going to sort the data by sales rep, column D, into alphabetical order. In order for me to do it this stage, I need to go to Custom, remove what I have already from our last exercise, and we're going to click on plus. I'm going to select sales rep and I want that in alphabetical order, A to Z, so I'll click OK. I'm now going to introduce subtotal, so I'll go to data and then to subtotal. The dialog box of subtotal will come up and I need to complete each of these functions. So it says at each change in, well, we want it to be sales rep, so we're going to click on sales rep. I want to add up, so the function I need is sum. As my table only has values here, I need to select the value and take the country off because that's the only one that I can subtotal. I want to replace the current subtotals and I want a summary below the data. When I click OK, there you have it. I've got my subtotal for the rep and the value. Here in the corners, I've got 1, 2, 3. So if I click on 2, it will close it up to give me an overall how each sales rep has achieved and the grand total. If I click on 1, it will just give me the overall grand total. You could also use the show detail and hide detail. If I wanted to expand, I could either click on number 2 to open up the overall summary, or I could click on the plus. If I wanted to have the greater detail, I could click on number 3 and that will do that, or the pluses. So I'm just going to click on number 2 to close it down and 1 to close it back. We've now been asked to select IO total row for row 17. So I could either click on the pluses, as so, and as I only want row 17, I'm only going to click on the plus here. And there you have it. I've got the individual transactions for IO as well as the subtotal. The others will remain closed as I haven't touched the pluses. And there you have it. Stage 2 is now complete. Save your file with the same name.